Hello. To clone apps on Redmi Note 14, first of all you have to go into the settings. From here we have to scroll all the way down and go into apps right there. And here we have dual apps. So let's go in here and you can see you have the information that you can create 25 dual apps. So let's create some. And right here we have the recommended applications to clone, and here we have the list of applications which does support the dual app feature. So let's take a look. We can simply enable the application we want to clone. In this case I don't actually have WhatsApp to show you the cloning. I mean, let's simply, for example, clone the Netflix application and turn on. Alright, and right here we have to wait for the creation of the dual application, and as you can see the dual app has been created. And as we go into the app drawer right now, we will find, let's type Netflix, and as you can see here is the regular Netflix and here is the copy of Netflix. So yeah, basically that's how to copy applications. Simple as that. Thank you for watching.